Have you ever told yourself, one day I will enjoy life, one day I will start the dream, and one day I will be so much happy? But what if I told you that one day might never come? This is the story of a man who was just like you and me, trapped in routine, waiting for the right moment. But the day he stopped waiting, everything changed. Meet Rohan, a 32-year-old software engineer. Decent job, stable salary, and a life that looked fine from the outside. But inside, he felt like he was just surviving, not living. Every day was the same. Wake up, rush to work, sit in front of a screen for hours, come home tired, scroll on his phone, sleep, and repeat. He had dreams, big dreams. He wanted to travel, start a side business, get fit, learn the guitar, and maybe even create a YouTube channel like this one. But every time he thought about it, he told himself, not now, maybe later. I'm too busy, too tired, I need more money, the time isn't right, etc., etc., etc. And just like that, 5 years passed. Then one evening, something happened that changed everything. Rohan was working late in his office. As he stared at his screen, a notification popped on his phone. A name he hadn't seen in a long time. His college best friend Akash. And the message was, "Bro, call me, urgent." Rohan called immediately, and the words he heard next shocked his soul. Akash said, "I just survived a heart attack. I'm 32, man. 32. I thought we had time. I thought we could leave later. But later isn't guaranteed. I wasted so many years waiting. Please don't make the same mistake." Rohan sat there, frozen. His hands were shaking. At first he thought, this can't be real. We are too young for this. But then another thought hit him like a punch to the gut. What if Akash had died? What if they never got the chance to meet again, to talk, to laugh, to recollect all the old time memories? And worst of all, what if he was next? Rohan stared at himself in the office mirror. He saw a tired, overworked man. A man who had sacrificed dreams for later. A later that might never come. At 3 a.m., Rohan made a decision. No more waiting. The next morning, Rohan woke up earlier than usual. For the first time, he didn't check his phone. Instead, he put on his running shoes and went for a jog. At work, he stopped complaining and started contributing. He spoke up in meetings, shared new ideas, and finished tasks faster. During lunch, he started searching how to build his side business. That evening, instead of scrolling endlessly on his phone, he picked up a guitar and started learning. And every day after that, he made small but powerful changes. He stopped saying, "I don't have time," and started making time. He stopped spending money on useless things and started saving for his dream trips. He stopped waiting for motivation and started taking action, even when he didn't feel like it. At first, it was hard. Doubts crept in like, what if I fail? What if this doesn't work? But then he remembered Akash's words. Later isn't guaranteed. And 6 months later, everything changed. He got a promotion at work because his energy and confidence had skyrocketed. He launched his online side business, bringing in extra income. He took his first solo trip to mountains, a dream he had been postponing for years. And most importantly, he felt alive again. All because he stopped waiting for the perfect moment and started living. One evening, Rohan sat at a cafe, staring at his old to-do list from 5 years ago. And by seeing that, he laughed. Not because it was funny, but because he realized how close he had always been. His dreams were never impossible. The skills he wanted to learn, they didn't take as long as he thought. The money he wanted to save, he could have started with just a little. The happiness he was chasing, it was always within reach. But he had wasted years waiting for a moment that never existed. He whispered to himself, the door was always open. I just never turned the handle. So let me ask you, what are you waiting for? Are you waiting for more money, more time, more motivation? What if you never get it? What if the only thing stopping you is you? Rohan didn't change his life overnight. He didn't quit his job or took any huge risk. He just started. And that made all the difference. So if you're watching this right now, take this as a sign. Whatever you have been postponing, your health, your dreams, your happiness, start it today. Even if it's small. Because the biggest regret in life is not what we did, but what we never dared to do. If this story inspired you, don't just scroll away. Take action. Hit the like button if you're ready to stop waiting and start living. Subscribe for more life-changing stories that will make you see things differently. And comment below. I will start it today to make a real life commitment. Remember, your time is now. Make it count.